Hello everyone. Let's see the dependency injection in a Spring Boot. So, how automatically Spring Boot injects the dependencies? Let's see. In the DO layer, DO layer with at repository. This is the code snippet at repository and the class my DAO. This is the class DAO, and we are in upside we are upwards we are given at repository. This is the service layer with at auto wired. So service class um, upwards we are given at service, and then when we are passing this DAO, we are DAO into the my service class, and then we are mentioning it is at auto wired. Let's see how this process works. It will be automatically injecting the when we pass the my DAO in service here, it automatically injects the object for the DAO. We need not to create the object. Let's see how this process works. So at repository DAO, when it sees the at repository, it acts as the it treats as a at repository layer, and then it will be treated as a bean and creates the objects and store it in the IOC container. So it will be created it creates this objects and store it in the IOC container, and then when we are using in a service class, like at server marks it as a service class, and auto wire, when we see auto wire, Spring automatically injects the DAO object to the service layer, because object is DAO object is created and stored in the IOC container when it is mentioned as a at repository. So Spring automatically injects the DAO object from the IOC container into the class service when at auto wired is used, achieving the dependency injection. So it will be injecting the DAO object into service class when while seeing this at auto wire. So we have to mention this as a at auto wire. So it will take the object from the IOC container and inject it here. We need not to create the object manually. So this is how the automatic dependency injection in Spring Boot is working. Thank you.